watching the Interior Chronicles. When you know what you want, ain't no stop. Had to fix my ways. Ain't know they were looking up to me, gotta show them it's possible. I done been through it all. If you wanna be rich, you gotta go head first through the obstacle. Trying to make sure everybody woke, they fail. I know I'm the one that responds.
Yo, yeah, I'm not starting over. I haven't gotten to the point to where there's a whole bunch of people around. I can just fluently record, as opposed to the last video I recorded yesterday. I was out in the open lot, talking in front of a camera with random people behind you. It's just like, haven't gotten there yet. The goal for today is to get better at step ups, to get better at bunny hopping, get my height up, figure out how to comfortably pull, figure out how to ride and bunny hop onto transfers and platforms and back off without the brakes. But I know realistically that some of these I'm gonna be gaining so much speed and momentum that I'm gonna need to use my brakes. That's the goal for today, is to hit every step up, every step down, tabletop, bunny hop, all of that. So, yeah. I just spent like 20 minutes trying to figure out how to keep my camera from overheating, and I didn't get it. So I try to get as much captured on the camera as I can while I'm out here. And if not, I brought the GoPro with me as well. There's a couple step ups out here that I can tell is gonna take some time to get used to and acclimated and comfortable with stepping up on and getting up to. This one isn't too bad. This one is gonna be one of them. This one right here is gonna be one of them. And there's another one right over there across from the park. And the reason I say that is because I've attempted to jump that one before and I tweaked my ankle a little bit. So today's gonna be the day that I plan to get some redemption on that. And yeah, all in all, come out here, get a little bit better than I was yesterday. That's the plan, that's the goal. Main thing, the main thing. You dig?
Out this joker in black pants on a 90-degree day, fresh off of work, getting that work in, getting right. Get right and get left, get dig. Strapped up, music playing, vibe out. What I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna roll around for a little bit, get warmed up, get comfortable with the part. And I'm gonna go ahead and jump into it.
Video starts.
You said what?
Almost got it.
Almost.
Almost. That's pretty sweet. I was following you around. I was like,
You were?
I was following you around.
Okay. I tell you what, you trailed me, I'll trail you. All right. Oh! I didn't know those stairs was right there. I thought it was all ramp, my bad.
Trying to clear this right here, but I'm gonna say that it's a skinny berm right here. I'm gonna try to bunny hop that ramp over there, and if I tap, if the back wheel taps at all, it doesn't count. It's not tall. Let's see this. Get
right. First try. And that joker was clean. Mr. Clean, squeaky clean, all of the above cleans. Oh, what's next out here? I guess I can go ahead and try to clear this right here.
Mind you, this is how skinny this is. And for reference, this is how it looks with my tire. Let's do it.
Oh my goodness. Oh my God. It's possible. I can get that. I can get that. I can get that. That's a no-go. This is the one that messed me up last time I was here. This one right here. I just broke my chain. My chain just popped. I just fell right here. Looked a little something like these. Bike was there. Chain was down here. Oh my goodness, man. After about a week or two of riding, my chain popped. Today has just been one of those days, man. My camera hasn't been wanting to work. My GoPro just started overheating. So I'm guessing that's it. And now my GoPro's overheating. So I'm off of the phone, which goes to say my camera's broken. Well, it's not broken. My camera's overheating, my GoPro's overheating. My bike chain just popped. I only cleared about half of what I really wanted to clear out here, but I did get that step on, step off. That's what I tweaked my ankle on last time I was here. So yeah, man. Gotta get a new chain, gotta put it on, and gotta get back out here and get right. So, yeah, man. Today's just been one of those days, but it is what it is. Made it this far into the video. I appreciate you for watching. Until next time, man. Peace, love, safety, more life to you all. God, dog, bro. fixable. Get back, get right, get left. You dig. Oh. Well, I'm having to scoop boot the BMX bike, man. Oh. Turn the BMX bike into a scoop boot.
You watching the Real Chronicle. When you know what you want, ain't no stop. Had to fix my ways. Ain't know they were looking up to me. Gotta show them it's possible. I done been through it all. If you wanna be rich, you gotta go head first through the obstacle. Trying to make sure everybody woke, 'cause they fail. I know I'm the one that responds.